Hey, I want to tell you something that's going to change your mind about setting up functional testing. If you're like the clinicians that I talk to every day, you probably think functional testing is expensive and takes up a huge amount of space, but it doesn't have to be that way. If you've ever tried to do lifting or dexterity as part of functional testing, you've probably seen huge setups that take a long time to put together, require lots of different equipment, and are really bulky and heavy. But we have a better solution than that. That's why we built the Functional Shelf system. I'm Kevin Cairns, and I've trained thousands of people on functional capacity evaluators, and I kept on hearing the same thing. I can't set up functional testing in my clinic. It just takes up too much space and it's going to cost me too much money. So we decided to fix that. What we came up with is a simple system that gives you everything you need for proper testing without taking up half your clinic or your vehicle. The kit comes with 2 foldable shelves that lock into place and a telescoping ladder. You get both the large and small pegs so that you can run dexterity and fine motor assessments. For lifting, there's 2 shelves, a milk crate that attach to the ladder so you can do floor to waist lifting, waist to shoulder lifting, and waist to overhead lifting. And the best part, the whole thing breaks down and fits into the back of a compact car. You can set it all up in under 5 minutes, take it anywhere, and tuck it away when you're done. We have clinics, occupational health providers, on-site providers, using this all across North America. And the feedback is always the same. Simple, sturdy, and so much better than hauling heavy equipment that takes forever to set up. Everything you need is included in the kit. Shelves, ladders, pegs, crate, and our support. It's all ready to go right out of the box. So if you're ready to stop hauling around awkward gear and want a clean, compact setup that works anywhere, check out the Meza Functional system. You can grab yours today and get to work with gear that actually works for you.